eve of the World Tiger Day, India has shared some heartening statistics. 70% of the world's tigers roam freely in India's forests. Thanks to Project Tiger, India is now succeeding in keeping its tigers safe and is setting records while doing so. Here's a report.
Hunting, poaching, habitat loss. The threat to tigers remains. But India is a beacon of hope. 7 out of 10 tigers in the world roam freely in India's forests. That is according to a government report released to mark the World Tiger Day. Earlier this month, India's tiger census of 2018 entered the Guinness Book of World Records. It was the largest ever camera-trap wildlife survey conducted anywhere in the world. As per the survey, India is home to nearly 3,000 tigers. That is a 30% increase in the tiger population in just 4 years. The credit goes to Project Tiger. Without this tiger conservation program, the Great Bengal tiger would have joined the list of extinct tigers, like the Balinese, Caspian and Javanese subspecies. When Project Tiger was launched in 1973, India had around 1,800 tigers, down from 100,000 tigers at the turn of the 20th century. The colonial elite and Indian royals had hunted tigers to near extinction. The project stuttered in its fight against poaching. In 2006, the numbers fell to 1,400. This dramatically transformed India's approach to preserve its national animal. At the start of Project Tiger, India had just 9 tiger reserves. Now the number has gone up to 50. India's success is a lesson to the 13 other countries with tigers. All except India, Nepal and Bhutan are struggling to save tigers even in the protected reserves. The group had met in Russia, where they pledged to double the tiger count by 2022. India can meet the target ahead of time. India's current count of tigers stands at 3,000. In 2011, the count stood at around 1,700. This shows that India's efforts are paying off. Around the world, about 93% of the tiger's traditional range is gone due to habitat loss, poaching, and lack of prey. But India is finding solutions. In 2019 alone, nearly $50 million was invested in tiger conservation. That includes relocating villages outside the protected areas. India has also built the world's largest animal underpass to let tigers safely pass beneath a highway. But more such measures are required if the tiger's roar must ring through India's forest.